Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. I have several entries for you today, and this is number 36, entry number 36 for my birthday challenge giveaway. And this is coming from Anne Marie, aka Annie. Okay, so I cut the envelope open so we can get into it a little easier. This is what it came like. So, oh my gosh, you guys are so awesome. Look at you, Annie. I already see this is more than memory decks. But thank you so much for entering into the giveaway. You guys, it's coming up to October 10th, and that is the last entry that, you know, for postmarking. So if you guys could you know, just try to get it in by then, that would be so awesome. So this is coming from Annie. Look at her snow. She put snow in her package. Oh, she wrote my name. So I guess this is my card. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, there's glitter and snow. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. Love the purple glitter. Thank you, Annie. I'm trying to get it off my hand. I feel like Gina now, where they just all want to stick to your hand. Oh my goodness, I see so many nice goodies down there. Oh my gosh. So let's see. I'm gonna pop this open. Oh gosh, is this your memory decks? I'm not gonna pull it out if it is. Actually no, it is a card. Okay. Look at her gorgeous. Oh, what are these called? Polka doodle girls? These are the dolls that Wandy likes to create with. Look at how pretty. She's so cute. And she's got a little spider up on top. Look at her little hat. I think she used some Nuvo drops on her hat, the little black spots and the star. And this one, Happy Halloween. And she's got some bling on it. And oh, look at that. Nice. Let me see what she wrote to us. Oh yes, Annie C Creations on YouTube. And then her IG is Annie COL. And it says, Ilene, I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I really enjoy your lives and wish I had found all of you, meaning PHA group, months ago. Oh, it's been hard with COVID, but certainly has gotten better with you and the PHA girls and guys. Thank you for allowing me to participate in your birthday challenge. Anne Marie. This is so beautiful. You are so welcome, girly. So that is her, created by Anne Marie. Oh, she has a nice little stamp there. Nice, Annie. And look at her inside. So pretty. She's got that foiled stripe paper. And she put 2020 on the bottom. This is a beautiful card. Thank you so much, Annie, for joining in this giveaway. And she also crochets. Look at her itty bitty bows. Oh my gosh, you guys, I haven't been sharing my crochets, but I do have several made, and I'm just trying to make a bunch so that I can package them up nicely with like different sizes in them. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then I could share with you all. Look at how pretty that is with the bling. I'm just peeking on the edges. Look at that. So pretty. I love this size bow, guys. It's so pretty. And I love this bow right here. That's a nice little embellishment for some projects, some dimensional projects. So let me put these down. So beautiful, Annie. Thank you so much. And then she has a paper bow right here. That is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Thank you. She also shared some paper flowers with me. Look at the little, like Gina says, dingle balls. Some beautiful flowers. Look at that. So we have purple and orange. And these are paper flowers, guys. She also shared some gorgeous rosettes, some what is this called? Crepe paper rosettes. And then look at her topper. She has a little rosette. She's got a die cut spider web here, little flags on the side. And she's got this little sign. It says spooky. Look at the little eyeballs are all bloodshot red right there. Thank you for sharing. Oh my gosh. And she made some rosettes for me. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I love the colors that she chose. The orange with the zigzag pattern, the orange with the black polka dots. And she's got some green. Look at that little mummy face right there. So cute. And her topper, look at her little bow right here. It says Happy Halloween. I love the way she used her banners right there. And she's got some doily action right there. So pretty. Thank you so much, Annie. This is so much. Girl, you did not have to do all that. Oh my goodness. You know it'll be put to good use. Oh my gosh. Just know that I am using your stuff that you're sending me, ladies. They are in use. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my goodness. She gave me bling. And some black cards. Oh, that's not cardstock. Chalkboard tags. So it's one chalkboard tag. Oh my gosh, that is a thick one. That's so cute to use for your home decor. So pretty. And then you have some black bling. Recollections. Is Recollections? I think Recollections is Michael's, right? I might be wrong, but look, and she shared some wood buttons with me. Look at those buttons. Oh my gosh. Very pretty. These are Prima. Yeah, these are Prima buttons, guys. So you got some flowers, some hearts, some stars. Oh my gosh. And like 3 different sizes for each. Thank you so much, Annie. Oh my goodness, girl. This is a lot. This is a lot, okay? All of you are sending all this. Way too many. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh no, this is the memory decks. No, I don't want to look at it yet. Cover that up. Cover it up. Cover it up. Let's look at. She shared some ephemera. Wow. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to see out my window. But anyway, look at all the ephemera. Oh my gosh. She's got some candies. Oh, and some witch boots. I love candy. Very dimensional. Look at the candies. And this one says toil and trouble, boil and bubble. Very cute. And it says candy. And she gave me some other more dimensional candies. Here's some bat die cuts right here. Look at this gorgeous witch. Let me show you so you can see what they look like. There we go. That's so cute. I have some of these. Yes. Some cute. This is a cauldron. Oh, nice. I think she used some puffy paint on this one to make the bubbly goo. Here's her other shoe, and there's a witch hat right there. Another shoe. Oh, so cute. Little tags. A pumpkin. This one's Howl at the Moon. How cute. Another felty, another tag. And another candy. Oh my goodness. Oh, another bow. Oh my goodness. So many goodies. And then we have a rosette that she created. Oh, look at this. It's got October 31st. Says boo. We have a rosette, a crepe paper rosette, another rosette right here, this green one. She has a die cut spider web. Another spider right here, and don't mind the snow. So cute. Oh my god, look at the back. That's so cute. And then we have this one. This is even bigger. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, so wicked. And got a little tombstone with the skeleton coming out. She has a little crepe paper rosette and a little, not a little, but a larger paper rosette. I am loving the way she layered these banners right here. Super cute. More of the snow in the background. I love this. This one says pumpkin courage. Oh, what? Pumpkin carving. I was gonna say pumpkin courage. We got two little pumpkins and a coffee cup and another paper rosette. This is so cute. Oh, and another ribbon, another bow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we can get into her her memory deck card. This is beautiful, Annie. Thank you so much for joining, because look at all your gorgeous creations, woman. My goodness, look at this thing. It's sturdy. It is not gonna bend. It's very sturdy. But look at her gorgeous witch. And she's got another one of the cauldrons with the puffy paints and the tombstones. This one has a little skull on it. This one's I am not well. I am not well. Keep out. Oh, I love these little buttons. These are, or not buttons, but yeah, I don't know what these are, but these are so cute. And then she has a haunted house. This is chipboard, really thick. Oh, I love that. Look at this cat. Scaredy cat with the pumpkin. Oh my God, I love, love, love this. Love it. She's got a little spider web and a spider right there. So cute. Let's see what her card says. So she has a little pocket here tucked. She tucked her info back here, but look at the paper on all the crossbones. So pretty. And then the inside of it is that purple foil paper. So pretty. Let's see what her card says. It says Anne Marie Colbert, and she is from North Carolina. Her birthday is May 10th. Her YouTube is Annie C Creations, and on Instagram she is Annie COL. And her favorite colors are pink, gray, and teal. And this is what her card looks like, guys. So cute and neat. Look at those. She's got some really teeny tiny staples right there. So cute, Annie. Oh my gosh, girly. Beautiful entry. Thank you very much for all the extra goodies. This is awesome. I'm so in love with all the extra goodies, like the rosettes, the bows, everything. And then the little pieces of ephemeras that you shared with me. I could actually go ahead and make more rosettes. Oh my gosh. So thoughtful of you. And this gorgeous little bow right here. Oh my gosh, you know these are going to go to good use. And then we have our beautiful card. Thank you so much, Annie. I will leave her information in the description box below. So make sure you guys go check her out and give her a thumbs up and subscribe to her channel. Why not? Let's join the family. Let's do it. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.